The truck driver crossed the tracks while the red lights were flashing, causing a train to crash into the vehicle. Fortunately, the accident did not result in significant damage. What do you think about using an airplane to put out the fire caused by an accident? Perhaps the driver would have died from the water rather than the accident itself. A confident prisoner gently motioned for the people in the car behind to be quiet as he stepped out of the car. A great escape. Not this time. The police jumped out and arrested him before he could make his spectacular escape. A driver suddenly stopped in the middle of the highway when he noticed an obstacle ahead. Unfortunately, that was the beginning of a series of accidents. Luckily, no one was injured.
What are you doing?
Oh my God. The car in front suddenly stopped, causing the truck behind to stop abruptly. The driver had no time to react and crashed straight into the car, which caught fire. The tanker driver should have his license revoked for such behavior. It is unthinkable to stop
Fortunately, the driver wasn't injured, but what many people are wondering is, did the car flip on its own, or did something or someone cause it to lose control? Looking closely, it appears there may have been a rear-end collision. As can be seen, the container fixed to the trailer at the rear was not released before the crane started lifting it. Fortunately, no serious damage occurred. Everything was going fine until the truck suddenly shook. The reason became clear when the truck flipped and landed safely. This wasn't a crash. It was a slow-motion fail caused by one lazy habit: skipping the handbrake. One bad move, and suddenly the road turned into a chain reaction. Proof that lane changes aren't small decisions.
This guy definitely deserves a Razor bonus for saving the plane from damage or preventing serious injuries.
On broken roads, speed is your enemy. Go slow, stay alert, and you'll stay safe.